we see our main objective is to not only to prompt the school curriculum, but at the same time to widen it. And we offer things that not so well developed at school at this age, for example, like problem solving and logical games. We do a lot of these things, which later become useful even more when children reach or necessity to prepare for 11th class. And then about the age of 8 or 9, people usually realize that they need to do a lot of this thinking outside of the box, solving word problems, something that directly then you will see in problems to do with verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Usually people come across a situation at the age of 9 and they suddenly have to make this jump to prepare for this sort of questions. So we think it's always good to start it a bit early, so children already have this mental habit of doing this sort of things, so it's not new for them, and they very easily then pick up whatever else training they need to do this further preparation for 11th class. So what our ideas is we want children to discover things themselves rather than just learn or memorize them. Of course, we teach them a little bit of tricks, how to do things easy, how to spot some connections which will help them to solve problems. We also teach them how to give each other clues rather than just telling a solution or showing how you did it. Sometimes that skillful clue is a very important thing. So if you're able to formulate the clue, it means you have to understand more about the problem that you already just solved, and you could sort of understand how you're thinking. Also, we spend some time, for example, discussing mistakes. When children come with different solutions, we will dedicate some time to just analyzing how they came to this solution. Then it will become obvious which one was correct, for example. But we also talk to them about how it happened that these mistakes came about. And so we would like them to see their thinking process a little bit and explain to each other where the difficult areas and how to identify them so they would be able to spot it. We think it's very important. Sometimes, we want them, we want a little bit to break their habit of guessing the answers, so that's why we sometimes give them very unusual problems which would have several solutions, or the solution would be a range, even for such a small children, or it would be, the correct answer would be that the problem doesn't have any answer. We don't do it very often, but we sometimes do it, just so they would experience this situation, and it will help them to slow down and sometimes think logically through and not just give us any answer. So don't be surprised if your children will come home with these things, because also what we do, sometimes we wouldn't give them an answer, and we would like them to leave the lesson with this feeling that they haven't, it's not incompletion. So this problem will last with them a bit longer. So the other thing which we encourage them to do, we like them very much to make their own problems, which will also deepen their understanding of what we were trying to do.